fix that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, hey my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal, the handyman that has a plan. Welcome to the workshop. Today's an amazing day. I've got here in my hands a treasure map. Have you ever been searching for treasure before? It's a pirate's treasure map. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is gonna be great. Oh, let's see. See, there's a treasure chest there, and there's lines to tell you how to get to the spot. Oh, there's a place where there's some swords there. Oh, there's a ship. Oh, and look, it's the map's compass. This tells us where north, south, east, and west is. Oh, but look, down at the bottom, can you see it? It's the red X. X marks the spot. That's gotta be where the treasure is. Oh, wow, we really gotta find this treasure. Ooh, so maybe we should dress the part. You know, pirates get to wear some really awesome things, like a pirate's hat. And look, I have one here. Oh, let's see. Let's try it on. All right. Oh, yes. Look at there. It's a pirate's hat. Ooh, and some pirates even have an eye patch. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, so now we've got all the parts and we look like a pirate. Let's go see if we can find some pirate's treasure. Oh, come on, let's go. Oh, you in a sword fight? Here you go. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. That was awesome. So much fun. Well, I'm losing my hat. Get it on there. Oh, look, we got one more steering wheel. Oh, wow, look, it's my friends. Hey, we're driving this pirate ship. How awesome is this? Are you having fun?
Yay!
Yeah, that's totally awesome.
Yay!
Well, switch over.
Look.
Let's go see what else we can fix. Come on. Oh, look at this. How cool is this? It's a slide, but not any slide. Look at that. It's a loopy slide. And it's got one, it's got two, and it's got 3 loops in it. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. But I got an idea. I know how to make it even better. Look what I've got. I've got some Handyman Hal super slide spray. This is gonna be awesome. So let's get this on. Oh, let's see here. Oh, there it is. We're gonna spray some in there just like that. Oh, this is gonna make it awesome. All right, there we go. And then we got some paper towels in here, and we're gonna wipe this down. Oh, and you know what this does? This makes it extremely super fast. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Get that in there, get that in there. Let's try it out. Come on, let's go. Here we go. Woo! Oh, wow. That was totally awesome. That super slide spray, it's good stuff. It really works. It's totally awesome. Look at this slide. This one's a blue one. Oh, it's got some sand on there. Let's get that off. Oh yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool too. Oh, let's go up underneath the ship and see what we can find. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Come on, let's go. Oh, look at it. We're underneath the ship. How cool is this? Oh wow, look at this. That's like some really cool obstacle course. Oh, let's see if this works. Oh yep. Oh yep. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Let's try it. Oh, it's like a little steering wheel. Oh, woo! Okay, that works. Oh, these are really cool. Oh, there's a red one and a blue one, and a yellow one, and a green one, and even some ropes. Oh, these are cool. Oh yeah. Oh, this is really, really, really awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. That was really cool. But let's look at our treasure map one more time, because I think the treasure might be down here. Cause see, let's look. All right, let's see. It says look below. So we're below the ship, right? So we gotta look for an X. You see an X anywhere? I don't know. Let's see. Let's look. Look everywhere. Oh, wow. I think I see an X over there. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Look. X marks the spot. Oh, I wonder what's under here. I bet it's some treasure. Oh, got our shovel. Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Look what it is. Oh, it's like a treasure chest. Oh, I wonder what's inside. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is really cool. All right, let's see. Oh, wow. Look at all that treasure. Oh, we found the pirate's treasure. That was awesome.
The anchor, time to sail away. A pirate's life for Handyman Hal today. Adventure on the open sea with all of my handyman mateys. What do you think the handyman would say? Awesome! Take a look at the treasure map I got. You know what they say about exit marks the spot. Far away will take some time. The treasure I know we will find. Army mate, he's gonna give it a shot. Hoist the anchor, time to sail away. A pirate's life for Handyman Hal today. Adventure on the open sea with all of my handyman mateys. What do you think the handyman would say? Awesome! Before we go, a few things we should check. Number one, did you swab the deck? Very important to be seen on a ship that's nice and clean. We gotta make sure that everything is perfect. Hoist the anchor, time to sail away. A pirate's life for Handyman Hal today. Adventure on the open sea with all of my handyman mateys. What do you think the handyman would say? Awesome! I really hope that we don't get the call to fill the cannons up with cannonballs. But if we do, we'll be ready for the dangers on the open sea. Hi diddly-dee, the pirate's life for me. Hoist the anchor, time to sail away. A pirate's life for Handyman Hal today. Adventure on the open sea with all of my handyman mateys. What do you think the handyman would say? Awesome! Looking through my awesome telescope. Land ho, a little bit of hope. Hip hip hooray, an awesome sound. Treasure Island we have found. It's gotta be out there buried underground. Hoist the anchor, time to sail away. A pirate's life for Handyman Hal today. Adventure on the open sea with all of my handyman mateys. What do you think the handyman would say? Awesome! Shovel in hand, standing on the beach. The treasure is just within our reach. Digging in the sand, won't you come give me a hand? The sun is shining down, we will get an awesome tan. The handyman has found all the treasure that he can. He never set sail without an awesome plan. Awesome! Hoist the anchor, time to sail away. A pirate's life for Handyman Hal today. Adventure on the open sea